Stop scrolling. I need to disrespect you for a second. You finally got your first salary, and somehow your money is acting like it personally hates you. It shows up, waves at you, and vanishes before you even smell it. Why? Because nobody told you how to manage it. They just said congrats and pushed you into financial chaos. Today, I'm fixing that mess. Welcome to How to Manage Your First Salary Without Going Broke by Day 3. Let's start with the harsh truth. Your first salary is a trap. You feel rich for the first time, dopamine starts doing backflips, and suddenly everything looks affordable. Clothes? I deserve it. Food? I earned it. Gadgets? Treat yourself. Subscriptions? It's only $10. Next thing you know, broke. Sitting there like, wow, adult life is a scam. Relax. Life isn't expensive. Your spending is untrained. Let me fix that for you. Here's what saves your first salary from total destruction. The Vault Formula. Rent, food, transport, bills, basic survival, zero flexing. If essentials are eating 70 to 80% of your salary, you don't have a money problem. You have a life setup problem. Fix your environment, not your wallet. Hanging out, clothes, food delivery, subscriptions. This is the zone where your salary runs away like it saw a ghost. Just because you can afford it doesn't mean your salary agrees with the decision. Savings, emergency fund, investments, small or big doesn't matter. The habit does. Broke people save after spending. Rich people spend after saving. Courses, books, new skills, training. You're not paid for your time. You're paid for your value. Upgrade your value. Your salary upgrades automatically. Here's a rule that will save your salary from emotional damage. The 72-hour rule. If it wasn't planned, wait 72 hours. No instant buying, no impulse swiping, no, I need this to survive. If after 3 days you still want it, buy it. 90% of the time, you'll forget it even existed. That's called growth. Most people do this. Salary, spend, cry, save leftovers. Please, don't be that person. Do this instead. Salary, save, then spend guilt-free. Move your savings the moment your salary arrives. Automate it. Make it disappear into your future before it disappears into nonsense. If you're always broke, you're probably doing at least one of these: buying to impress people, spending out of boredom, paying for ancient subscriptions, eating out like you're a CEO's child, upgrading your lifestyle too fast, not tracking a single rupee. How many did you check? Be honest, your bank account already snitched. Here's a crusty truth. If you don't track your money will track you down and slap you. Use any method: Notes app, Google Sheets, finance apps, a notebook, sticky notes from your fridge. Doesn't matter. What matters is knowing where your money is going. Unmonitored money equals missing money. 95% of people do this. Get first salary, instantly upgrade lifestyle. New phone, new clothes, new everything. But your salary didn't grow, only your expenses did. Lifestyle inflation is your enemy. Don't upgrade your life until your income upgrades multiple times. So that's how you manage your first salary like a vault keeper, not a confused shopper living on vibes and prayers. Follow these steps, even a small salary grows. Ignore them. Even a big salary disappears like magic. Comment Vault Mode activated if you're serious about leveling up. Like the video, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.